Mamian?
Hardware and construction.
Okay. So, if you notice, sa hardware, okay, do you make decisions? Okay? If the answer is yes, alright. What if I tell you na you can use AI not only, kasi what if wala kang content, hindi ka nag-ads, no? Sabihin natin sari-sari store ka na, no? Pero number one, syempre you need to make decisions for your business, right? Like, should I do this or should I do this? Right? Ngayon, sometimes kasi hindi mo na foresee yung mga possible negative na mangyayari, possible pros and cons, you use AI. So, ngayon, natatawa nga ako. Minsan parang sabi ng asawa ko, dati, pag may problema ka, sinasabi mo sa akin na ngayon di na. Sabi ko, kasi AI sumasagot lahat eh. Parang, alam mo yun? Yung asawa palaging busy. Minsan, once a week ko lang ma-talk. Yung AI, real time, di ba? So, it can be na pwede namang wala siyang trabaho, but you can just ask support in making decisions. Just letting them know na, okay, ito yung problem ko, what can you advise? Ito ba maganda? Kasi when AI responds to you, hindi emotional sa AI, no? Hindi sila magre-respond dahil friends kayo, no? They respond logically. So, these are the things that could happen.